Alright, so today I am going to be installing my B&B bash plate that just came in, and it's a good quality design. It's pretty light. It's surprisingly light. There's pretty welds on it, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, this should be a relatively easy installation. Came with these nuts. I also got the ignition and clutch guards, but I still need to get some gasket maker to do that. I also need to give that time to dry, so I won't be doing that now. Get her somewhere where I'm gonna have some room. As you can see, space is a premium in this place because of all the motorcycles. Okay. Getting set up. I know there's a pad around here somewheres. I thought there was. We can use a blanket. Nothing wrong with this blanket. Okay. So, there are bolts on the underside of the stock skid plate, which is pretty wimpy. I mean, if you look at it, it doesn't protect your frame rails. And that just kind of sucks. It also sucks because this is a dry sump engine, and they use the frame to withhold oil. So if your frame gets cracked, you're gonna be leaking out precious lifeblood from your bike. I don't think it's leaking. I think I just have some residual oil from when I did the last change. Okay, so we're gonna get those bolts undone. I'm gonna adjust my handlebars as well. Oh, very nice and tidy. And that's kind of in there. Interesting. You know, this Husky stuff, I gotta say, just right off the bat, is much better quality than Harbor Freight's fucking, what is their shit, Pittsburgh? Here's a 14. All right. Okay. Oh, that's too big. Need something smaller. We also need to bring the socket set over here. So 13, let's do a 12. thing I liked about this set is it just had one ratchet size, the 1/4 inch size. A problem I noticed with some sets that have the 2 size ratchets, if you lose your adapter, I don't know, it can get confusing with which one to use, and that's still too big. And 11. Maybe a 10. Yeah, so these are 10mm bolts. To the left, to the left. And you can see these guards are just like plastic, so I don't think they would really protect the bike against much. If you're going to use this bike as a supermoto, then I suppose what it comes with would be adequate for street riding. But I bought the S because I want to enduro ride. Done enough street riding in my time. At least for now. Probably will get back into it when I get another street bike or convert this thing to an SM at some point in the future. I hope it's getting all this shit. Okay. Stock skid plate has been removed. And man, this thing is small. Now, researching online, I think there's an oil screen in here that should be changed periodically, or cleaned periodically, rather. But this bike has 700 miles on it, so it's not time for that yet. It's attracting some dirt from spilled oil. Interesting. Okay. So my thought was, will the bash plate fit over these plastic guards, and can I use them as additional protection? Because they do kind of come up and protect the water pump. So let's see. Stock screws on the stock plate. Alright, let's see how this fucker fits. So it's gonna go up like that. Up like this, actually.